Welcome, here I've got iPad mini 2021 and I'm gonna show you how to take live photo in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. Let's stay here and move to the right side. Now we have to pick this button, so we can easily by just one tap turn on live photo, another tap to turn it off as we need. Now let me keep it turned on to show you how it works. So we should take a photo and get 4-in-1, the photo and 2 clips and also another picture. So let's do it by taking a picture. To see it, we have to go to the button under the shutter that follows us straight to the gallery. And this is how the standard picture look like. Now let's pick this button with live from the left, so we can change it to the loop, bounce and long exposure. Let's see how the loop looks like. And as you can see, we can now focus on the short clip. Another tap here and let's pick bounce. And this is the other clip, and also we can change it to long exposure to see the long exposure picture, or go back to standard live photo. And that's all. This is how it looks like. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.